Inflation is hitting my people so hard they're coughing up bones. I don't care what the inflation is in other parts of the country, of the world. I'm sorry they're having inflation in other parts of the world, but them in misery doesn't make my people feel better. They're still miserable. Inflation is hitting people so hard they're coughing up bones. It's the highest in 40 years. Our national debt is greater than our national output. Crime's up, the border's open, respect for institutions is way down, and 70% of the American people think we're headed in the wrong direction.